This is the iconic Toyota Supra, driven by the one and only Smokey Nogata. This is one of the fastest Supra to ever exist. This car is really detailed and it perfectly replicates the original one. The paint is amazing. The shiny metallic gold really suits the car. Let's look under the hood. It's really hard to open sometimes. The engine is swapped with AR34 GTR's engine. It's really detailed and impressive. Such detail in the engine is really satisfying. Here are a few different angles with close-up views of the car. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe.